I have a hard time getting the top and bottom of my pizza to be done at the same time. What can I do about this? We just answered this question. Same thing. Get yourself 2 stones or 2 pizza steels. If you're cooking in the oven at home, set those pizza stones or steel about 4 to 5 inches from each other. Let them warm up. It's gonna take you in your oven at home at least an hour. Most ovens, the way they're set up to run, take a long time warming up those stones, especially if you put 2 stones or 2 steels inside. But if you put 2 stones or steels, one on each rack, set them about 4 to 5 inches apart and bake directly in between them, now we've got 2 even heat sources on that pizza or even that loaf of bread, and it'll bake it very uniform, very even. No matter how old your oven or how new your oven, you'll have a very, very consistent result.